It's Friday morning. We're getting ready to leave tomorrow for our vacation in Florida, and I'm on the Peloton. One last workout before I get all my stuff together and we leave out early tomorrow morning. We're gonna be in the car all day tomorrow, so I won't have a chance to. But after I finish this, I'm gonna get all of my equipment ready that I want to take with me so that I'll have some options for doing some workouts when I'm in Florida. So I just rode a 30-minute Peloton ride with my favorite instructor, who is Cody. He is so funny and just such a hot mess, but his whole playlist was Britney and Madonna, and maybe some like Pink and Lady Gaga. But it was like old Britney, you know, like the good Britney, and I'm gonna age myself a little bit here. When I was in college, that's when Britney was like huge. She was such a big deal, and it reminded me. I think it was a DVD, and it was like her Stronger video. Do you guys remember the one where she danced with the chair? That one specifically, I think like Slave for You was on there, and just some other like of her big ones. But my roommate and I will not name her in case she doesn't want to be involved in this. Before we would go out at night, we would pause that DVD on Britney's eyes, like a close up on the Stronger video. You'll have to Google it, but she had like an awesome smoky eye. And we used to pause it right there on her eyes and like copy our makeup after Britney's eye look. So funny story from like forever ago. Just had to share. All right, I am packing. Thought I would just show you guys some things that I'm packing. Clothes wise, it's not super interesting. I will probably do, I'm taking exercise clothes, I'm taking bathing suits, although I don't know what the weather is going to be like. I think it may be a little bit chilly. I think it's going to be like in the upper 60s and 70s. So actually not much warmer than it is in Arkansas. So I feel like you always have to be, we're going to 30A in Florida. I feel like you always kind of have to be ready for whatever. So I've kind of got a little bit of everything. Jeans, I just brought a pair of black casual jeans. I brought some jean shorts. We have dinner reservations because there's two families and we all have our kids with us. So it's going to be super casual. We are having one date night. So I thought I might either wear my jeans with some heels and my black leather jacket, or I did bring some kind of shorts, but I don't know if it's going to be warm enough for me to wear those. Honestly, I think I'm probably going to be just hanging out in leggings, or if it's warm enough, and then bathing suits. Oh, look at I did get a super cute new bucket hat. Let me show you. I think it's so cute. I'm really trying to do better about covering my face this year. You know, I'm on this big sunscreen kick and just trying to do better, but I think the hat is so cute. So I'll wear that on the beach. And then, what I did want to, so I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I've only brought one pair of heels. The rest is just tennis shoes and flip-flops and sandals. But what I was going to show you though is I will exercise pretty much probably almost every day. This is kind of my travel exercise kit. It's a bag full of like all kinds of different bands that I can use. And then I've also, so those are like the ones that stretch out, and then this one goes all the way around, and I like that one. I'll work out with it a lot. And then I also have sliders in here. So I have all of that. And I also picked up this jump rope from Target. So it's from Tone It Up, but to get some cardio. Well, I mean, we'll walk a lot and stuff too, but I'm just going to stick that in my bag, probably take it out of the box and put it in here. And then that way I have some workout options, because I will exercise. I'm totally that person. I feel better when I exercise. And yes, even on vacation, like I just have better energy. I feel more confident and comfortable in my body. Digestion works better. Everything works better. So. Good morning. It's our first morning in Florida. I'm talking quietly because everybody's still asleep, but I'm making my tea. I go through kicks with coffee where sometimes I want it and sometimes I don't. And right now I'm on a kick where I don't want coffee. And so I've been drinking just a black tea. And then I add a scoop of this collagen. It's actually creamer because I had it in my pantry. It's Dose & Co. and I got it at Target. But I've just been putting a little bit of that in with my coffee. And I love it. And I like the fact that I'm getting collagen. I think next time I buy collagen, I might do try the marine collagen. But for right now, this is what I'm using, and I do like it. While I'm waiting on my tea to brew, I was gonna just show you guys real quickly the house. This is the living space. And again, there's two families here this week. I love these marble countertops. So obsessed. I used to have marble in my last house and I loved it. And then if you go, this is the main level. If you go down the hallway, there's a bar area, and then there is a bunk room down there. Our bedroom is in here, but Brandon still sleeps, so I'm not gonna take you in there. And then downstairs, there's 3 bedrooms, and then there's a bedroom upstairs as well. Beautiful, beautiful house. Later, I'll take you up to the top and show you the crow's nest, but look at this. Beautiful. I'm gonna go sit right out here and have my tea. So I'll show you guys mine and Brandon's room. Here's our bedroom. Somebody has set an alarm off in the house. It's a good sized bedroom and our bathroom. And then I shower. And here's our, oh, hello. I was gonna show you guys my skincare. I just recently started using this line from, his name is Dr. I think it's Karam. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but this is a vitamin C serum that I've been using from him, and then a moisturizer that has retinol in it. So anyway, I've been using that for just about a little over a week. So I'll keep you posted how I like it. I think I can tell a difference already, but I'm gonna keep using it. And then this Ulta MD sunscreen just came in. I'm new to this brand, but a lot of people recommended it. So far I've been using it for a couple days and I really like it. I have it on right now and it's not like, I don't know if you can see, it's not like super white or anything on my face. So I think it looks pretty natural. And the other day I mixed it with some foundation and made like a tinted sunscreen, and I thought I did well with that. So, oh, and this is my favorite lip, it's not a serum, it's like a lip cream from SkinCeuticals, but I love it and I swear it helps with fine lines around my mouth. All right, just got to the beach. Today is absolutely gorgeous. I think today is actually gonna be our best beach day. So I've got my hat on and my sunscreen, and we're just gonna go sit on the beach and listen to these waves crashing. Good morning. Today is Monday. This is our 3rd day here in Florida. We arrived late Saturday, so today is Monday. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on all my different workouts that I'm doing every day, just to kind of give you an idea. This is like a normal vacation for me. This is what I always do on vacation. So yesterday, I didn't do anything on Saturday. I was in the car all day. Yesterday, my friend and I went for about a 50-minute walk, and I'm doing the same today. Just because it's so gorgeous and I wanted to be outside again. But we have booked a Pilates reformer class tomorrow morning at a local studio, and then for Wednesday morning we've already booked a yoga class. So I try to always mix it up so I'm not doing the same thing. Like, I don't really love walking 2 days in a row. Sometimes my body feels that, but again, it's just so pretty. I had to be outside. So just a little update. It's gorgeous today. Cannot wait to get back on the beach. So my friend Amanda and I, that's who we're here with on vacation, we were talking about this yesterday, just how we actually probably even like to find different ways to exercise even more when we're traveling. It's such a great way to see like the local area. You can go to classes or just walk, get to see everything. You can walk on the beach if you wanted to, whatever, just so you can get some local scenery. But we also love to take classes and try different things when we're traveling. Like, I don't know, there are some reformer places in Little Rock where I could go get a class, and of course my favorite yoga studios, but it's just another way to see the local area and check out some of the cool studios. And
so what we'll do is, if you want me to just put that on.
It stormed all night here last night, so this morning everything is really wet, and I think there was actually, at some point there were tornado warnings, but I guess nothing ended up hitting. But I can see there's a red flag flying, which means I don't think that they'll let you go into the water. It's been super windy with the storm blowing in, but I think it's supposed to blow out this afternoon, so I'm hoping we'll get a little bit more beach time. It is kind of peaceful though, with the sounds of all the raindrops and these kind of nature sounds. I'm the only one up right now. I'm always the first one up here. It's usually between myself and our friend Ted, but I'm usually up making my tea and just hanging out and reading the news and whatnot before everyone else gets up. You can see the waves in the ocean and they are so big. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's as close as I can get. Let's see. They're pretty big. It's hard to tell on camera, but yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to get down to the beach later today and see some more sunshine. We've had great weather so far, just a little windy. So I've got y'all back in my bathroom, but I just wanted to share something, a product that I'm feeling super grateful for this week, because this hair has been tough to manage this week at the beach. It's, like I said already, it rained and stormed last night, so the air's been super humid and this hair has just been crazy. So I just sprayed it with some, I love this product. It's Oribe Shine Light Reflecting Spray, and I just spray it on the ends. And it has helped to tame this crazy, coarse, frizzy hair of mine. Anyway. Lots going on today at the hub. Everybody's off the beach because of the weather. There is always a ton of fun here. One thing I did for this trip, because I always feel like it's kind of hard to make like healthy meals on vacation and get vegetables. And so I love these this is from Daily Harvest. They've got these flatbreads. This one's artichoke spinach, but they're all made with like a vegetable crust. Like this one's made with broccoli, the flatbread. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's finished. But I just have been tossing one of these in the oven and eating it for lunch. And then that way I know if I get no other vegetables during the day, I'm getting some vegetables with at least this. So these have come in really, really handy on this trip. So here's what this one looks like. So good. Okay, so it's the end of the week. Vacation is over. We got up really early this morning to drive home. And of course, there will be a couple of Starbucks stops along the way, because that's what happens when you're traveling with a lot of teenage girls. So thanks for following along this week.